Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will greet a stranger in Java programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we are here in my Eclipse IDE. So we have here input Java util scanner, and then we have a class greet static void means starting point of every Java program, scanner input for input output, and then we have several variables: my name, greetings, and my age. And then the greetings is hello. The title of our program, greet a stranger in Java. In this line of code, we are asking the user to introduce their name, their age, and then display greeting the stranger. Hello, what is the name of the person, your age, what is the age, and we close the scanner, and then we close the body of our public static void main function methods in Java. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us run our code. Okay, so it's running. Greet a stranger in Java, introduce your name. Let's say for example Nestor. What is the age of Nestor? Let's say 78. Hello Nestor, your age is 78 years old. Okay, another example. Greet a stranger in Java, please introduce your name. Let's say Anna. What is the age of Anna? Let's say 45. Hello Anna, your age is 45 years old. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to greet a stranger in Java using strings and scanner in Java. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.